Gabe, would you like to go outside?
Gabe? What is that?
Do you want to go outside and get in your pool? Gabriel. Outside?
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Apple.
Let's go outside. Okay, Daddy, go outside. See you later. Let's go. Do you need shoes?
Okay.
Do you need shoes? Oh, yeah, pick that up. Alright, let's go outside. Put those in your... You know what that is. Put that up. Yep, put the pieces up. You got his glasses over here. Get Mr. Potato Man's glasses. Hurry up, put them up so we could go outside. Gabe, do you want to go outside? Then we got to clean up, okay? So put that up. Put his mustache up. Hurry. Put it inside him. Put it in the back. You need help? I'm sure you do. You just don't want to do it yourself. Put the pieces in there. Go inside the computer room and get his glasses. And then come put those up. Okay, let's put this on him.
Bye-bye.
Oh, hold on. Oh, where's he going?
Bye-bye.
Okay, tell him bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There we go. Okay, let's put his feet on. Okay, go put him back where you got him, okay? Can you do that? Go put him back on the shelf. Whoa, wait. Handsome. Put Mr. Potato Man back up, okay? Gabe. You're blurry. Okay, Gabe. Put Mr. Potato Head back on the shelf, please. Over here. Put him over there. Pick him up. Gabe. Gabe, pick up Mr. Potato Man. Pick him up. Pick him up and put him here. Right there. Pick him up and put him here. That's what Daddy wanted you to do. Come on.